On this project, we're going to replace the toilet flange. This is what you might see if you were down in the basement. Now we're upstairs, and this is a repair flange that I have here. You see the black rubber seal, and now you see the bolts that require an Allen wrench. And once you start squeezing down the bolts, the black rubber will start to expand, and this will cause the flange to seal tightly into the old pipe. And what we're doing here is we're lining the closet bolt holes where the closet bolts are going to be. We're lining them up at each side. It should be anywhere from 12 to 13 inches off to the center of the pipe. And this is exactly where the toilet bolts are going to go to bolt the toilet down. You see, we're trying to square it up. And once we have it square to where we want it, then we're going to grab our Allen wrench set and slowly start tightening the bolts, going back and forth until we get it to where we want it. We don't want to just tighten one bolt straight down. We want to just kind of work it around, kind of slowly work it around, so that we will have a even tightness all the way around. And you notice, I don't know if you can see it, but when we tighten down on the bolts, there's a piece inside that's steadily coming up and causing the black rubber piece to expand outward. And once this is in place, you won't be able to pull this up. You can see now we're trying to pull it up and it's not coming up, and it's sealed tight. And now you have your new flange down on the toilet. And the next thing we want to do is take our screws and screw it down